Welcome to the early bird drawing for the first annual SCNM Student Raffle Scholarship. I'm going to draw an entry here that was purchased by September 30th, and the first prize drawing is for a stay at the Ritz-Carlton for a weekend, including dinner, a $990 value. And if you haven't purchased a raffle entry yet, we're going to be selling them until November 3rd, the day of the grand prize drawing, $10,000 drawing. Raffle tickets are $50 a piece, or 3 for $100. So let's see who the grand prize early bird winner is. So I'm going to get this going good. I'm going to let it come to a stop. And I'm going to look away, not see. And the early bird winner is entry number 5059. Congratulations to Joanna Hagen.